Hey there, my name is Jeff Shelton. I'm Vice President of IGS. I have an important question I'd like to ask you. Can your plant use increased production and efficiency? I think the answer is yes. For years, air cannons have been used to do exactly that. But I'm telling you, you would be shocked that despite millions of dollars that's spent each year on air cannons, how much misinformation is out there on air cannons. IGS is here to set the record straight. Our vast experience tells us there's at least 5 myths which prevent the proper installation and operation of air cannons. We've published a technical paper outlining each of these myths and setting the record straight. You can get the cleaning you need with low maintenance and very infrequent nozzle replacement. We really encourage you to visit our website, and we really encourage you to read our technical papers. Our air cannons are blue, and so let the power of blue work for you.